Alright, y'all, we just landed in Houston, H-Town. She's ready. I'm ready to get us started. Have a good time. All this beautiful right here, playing the harp. This is why we're here, right here, Houston, Texas. Oh man, we can't wait. We are excited. I know I'm excited. H-Town.
We on the road, about to head to Camp Houston, get that good food.
Yes, sir. Camp Houston on the way.
Wait. Shout out to Enterprise. Well, they was rushing us out of the airport, but we got Weird. We gonna turn up.
Alright, so Ned and Sue, they just landed here. We made it. We just parked our car here in downtown Houston. The hotel's right there. Yeah, so we're about to walk to the hotel now, but we in downtown. Alright, so we just checked into the room. We staying at the Magnolia, downtown Houston. Got a nice little view of the city. Nice little bench area. And then we got our bed right there. And then taking here to our little kitchenette area, little fridge. And last but not least, obviously this is the toilet. We got a nice deep soaking tub right here also, so it's pretty nice. And we're downtown, so that's pretty good. So here's your boy. Oop. City views, downtown Houston. So beautiful.
Breakfast and a really good parking spot. We had to go around one time. Snooze is supposed to be a really good spot. So we're out here. The humidity's not too bad right now. See, all the parking is picking up. But God came through and got us a front parking. Whip it. Whip it. Got this beauty out here. Hey, nice so far, so hoping the food is just as amazing.
Alright, so we're here at Snooze Eatery. Check out this dope little spot for breakfast. We're at Snooze Eatery. About to enjoy some bomb breakfast, y'all. Alright, so the food just came through and oh my god, it looks so good. I got the French toast. Like we got the shrimp and grits with a little hash browns on the side. My boy Meg got the corned beef hash. So you got, what's that called? The funky monkey?
Yes, the funky monkey.
The funky monkey, and then she got the shrimp and grits also. So everything looks amazing. Alright, so we're up here, this little gym area at our pool. We're heading out towards the pool. Alright, so we're here at the rooftop. Wifey, Med. We just out here vibing, enjoying Texas. You know, it's hot out here though.
Love it, man.
You love it. Rooftop. Damn, that's how it is in New Jersey. Alright, so we just made it here to the turkey leg hut. And you see the line, the George Floyd Memorial right there. Alright, turkey leg. Thank you. So our food just came through. We got our pasta, our Hennessy Bays, turkey leg, tacos, and we got turkey leg right there. Everything looks amazing. We're about to dig in. The aftermath after we finish eating.
Get something like you won. You won. Like he like it really won.
Alright, we're coming to check out this waterfall place. Here at the waterfall, you can actually feel the water falling on you. Woo! I can feel the water. Wow. You walk out of the waterfall part, you come out here and look at this building. That's a really tall building to the top. Alright, so we just came here to Crab Cake Kitchen, Houston. It's supposed to be really good. Gotta go check out the food. So the food just came through here at Cupcake Kitchen. So we're here at the food section of Houston. We got Nipsey Hussle right here. Hustle continues. Alright, so we just came here to Graffiti Park in Houston. It's pretty dope. Park. Here, I'm finding this nice other little mural. Alright, so we're at the airport here in Houston, getting ready to leave to head back home. Houston's been amazing, great time for us. I know she had a great time. We're here at the airport just waiting to fly home. We'll definitely have to come back to visit Houston though.